Hello everybody, my name is Shai here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a digital clock in Python. So in this we have to import some modules. So first we're going to import Tkinter, so we're going to say from Tkinter import everything. Then we're going to say from tkinter.ttk we're going to import everything. Then we're going to say from time import strf time. Then we're gonna say we have to make our window, so tk. Okay, so once we've done that, we're gonna make our title, so root.title, and then we say digital clock. Once we've done that, now we're going to make our label, so we're going to say label is equal to label and our root window, and we're going to say the font is equal. So for the font, we're going to use a customized font. You can download from this website, link will be in the description down below. So basically you have to click this download button, and when you click this download button you have to go in this digital directory. You can see some files here, so you can choose by the font you want. In this case I'm going to install dsdigi, so you just click dsdigi and you can click this install button. It's pretty easy, just click the install button and that's it. So you can come here and then inside this font ds digital. After that's done, we're gonna make the background. I'm gonna go with the alarm clock kind of scenery, so I'm gonna make it black. Then I'm gonna make the foreground as red, which is the color of the text. So now we're gonna pack it, so we're gonna place it on the screen and we're gonna anchor it in this middle center, so I'm gonna write center. So now we're going to have to update the time every second. So we're going to create a function called dev time. And in this function, we're going to make, let's say time is equal to strf time. And then we're going to enter the format. So if you're going to go with 12-hour, you have to put I. If you want 24-hour, you have to put H. So I'm gonna show you both ways. So first I'm gonna do 24-hour time. So percentage H colon percentage M colon percentage S space percentage P, and that's it. Once you do that, we're gonna now configure the label. So by running this function, we're gonna change the text to the time right now. Of course, this happens in like 1 millisecond, 10 milliseconds, so it'll be really fast. So, and of course, we want to run this again after each second, so we can update it. So label dot after, which means after, and after a certain amount of milliseconds, you can see in the help ms, so it stands for milliseconds. So 1000 milliseconds is 1 second, so 1000. Then we're gonna run after 1 second. We're gonna run our function time. Brackets is not needed. Okay, but we're gonna put our main loop that's needed, so we can have a continuous feedback with the window, so it can be open. And after we make the label, we're gonna run this time function, so we can start it. And I was running this the whole time, so I'm gonna run this again. Oh, okay. Well, you can see it's really small, so we're gonna change the font by that. We're gonna change this. Let's make it 80. So once we do that, we can see our time. Now this is for a 24-hour time. So if you want to do a 12-hour time period, so we can change this H by an I, capital I of course. So when we run this, we can see, close that. Okay, we can actually go to our Python. Okay, now you can see it's in 12-hour time. So anyway, that's it. So yeah, you can choose between the 12-hour time or the 24-hour. Preferably I would say 12-hour, but anyway, we're gonna wrap up this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can get notifications each time I upload a video like this. Anyway, bye.